You flick a light switch. Open a bag of chips. Zip up your jacket. Ordinary actions, right? But what if I told you these everyday things were born from anger, mistakes, curiosity, and even complete accidents? Behind every product we take for granted lies a bizarre, often hilarious or inspiring story. America's greatest conveniences weren't always the result of years of careful planning. Sometimes, they were pure serendipity. This is the tale of 20 strange, unexpected invention stories behind the everyday American life you know today. These are not just objects, they are whispers from the past, shouting, "Look what happens when you just keep experimenting." Let's begin. 1. Potato chips, born from spite. In 1853, a customer at Moon's Lake House in Saratoga Springs kept sending his fried potatoes back, claiming they were too thick. Fed up, Chef George Crumb sliced the potatoes paper thin, fried them until they were crunchy, and loaded them with salt. He thought it was a joke. But the customer loved it. And just like that, potato chips were born, from frustration. 2. Microwave oven, melted candy accident. Percy Spencer, an engineer working on radar during World War II, noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket melted when near a magnetron. He experimented further by placing popcorn near the tube. It popped. What started as military research turned into the microwave oven. Accident? Yes. Revolution? Absolutely. 3. Popsicles, invented by an 11-year-old. In 1905, young Frank Epperson left soda powder and water outside in a cup overnight, stick still inside. It froze. He called it the Epsicle. Years later, he patented it as popsicle, and a billion-dollar industry was born, by a child's winter forgetfulness. 4. Cheese puffs, cattle feed gone fancy. In the 1930s, Edward Wilson worked in a corn puffing factory. Moist corn was forced through a machine, creating puffed pellets meant for animals. One day, Wilson experimented by adding flavor to the extruded corn. Result? The cheesy snack we now call cheese puffs. 5. The sandwich, gambling's gift to the world. In the 1700s, John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich, wanted food he could eat without leaving his gambling table. He asked for meat between 2 slices of bread. The sandwich wasn't invented in America, but it's become a cornerstone of American lunches. 6. Vacuum cleaner, from soap boxes to suction power. Janitor James Spengler suffered from asthma and suspected his carpet sweeper was the cause. He rigged a soap box, fan, pillowcase, and broom handle into a device that sucked instead of swept. He later sold the patent to his cousin's husband, William Hoover. 7. Dishwasher, a wealthy woman's frustration. Josephine Cochran hated how her servants chipped her fine china. She created a hand-crank machine that sprayed hot water on dishes. Her dishwasher debuted at the 1893 World's Fair, and changed American kitchens forever. 8. Velcro, inspired by a dog's fur. Swiss engineer George de Mestral took his dog on a walk and noticed burrs clinging to its fur. Under a microscope, he saw tiny hooks. Inspired, he created Velcro, hook and loop technology now used in everything from sneakers to space suits. 9. Zipper, a failure-turned-fashion icon. The original clasp locker, invented in 1891, was clumsy and unreliable. It took Gideon Sunback's redesign in 1913 to finally perfect it. The U.S. Army used it for boots. Then the fashion industry caught on. Today, the zipper is nearly invisible, but essential. 10. Paper towels, a factory mistake. The Scott Paper Company accidentally produced toilet paper that was too thick. Instead of tossing it, they cut it into sheets and marketed it as disposable towels. That mistake turned into one of the most important hygiene products in American homes. 11. Silly putty, a failed military rubber. During World War II, scientists tried to create synthetic rubber. One mix bounced unexpectedly, that was silly putty. Peter Hodgson saw potential, marketed it in plastic eggs for Easter, and kids went wild. 12. Slinky, a fall from the desk. Richard James, a naval engineer, knocked a spring off his desk and watched it walk down. With his wife's help, they packaged it as a toy. The Slinky sold 400 units in 90 minutes during its debut. 13. Frisbee, from pie tin to park favorite. College kids used empty pie tins from the Frisbee Pie Company for fun. Wham-O later redesigned the disc and trademarked Frisbee. It flew off shelves and into American childhoods forever. 14. Bubble wrap, failed wallpaper idea. Two engineers tried to make textured wallpaper by sealing two shower curtains together with air. It failed. But IBM later used it to package computers. Bubble wrap now pops in millions of hands, and shipping centers, worldwide. 15. Play-Doh, wallpaper cleaner reimagined. Before becoming a toy, Play-Doh was used to clean wallpaper. As coal heating declined, so did its sales. A teacher realized kids loved shaping it, thus Play-Doh was born. Simple. Soft. Colorful. Accidental magic. 16. Shopping cart, rejected by the public. Invented by Sylvan Goldman in 1937, the first shopping carts resembled folding chairs with baskets. People thought they looked silly or were unnecessary. He hired actors to pretend to use them in stores. Soon, everyone followed suit. 17. Escalator, patented before electricity was common. Jesse Reno patented the escalator in 1892. But it wasn't until decades later that electric motors made them practical. Originally called inclined elevators, escalators are now synonymous with malls and airports. 18. Windshield wipers, invented by a woman. Mary Anderson noticed streetcar drivers struggling to see in the rain. She created a rubber blade wiper controlled from inside. Car companies rejected her idea. Decades later, every car used her design. 19. Traffic light, from railroads to roads. The first traffic signals were created for trains. In 1914, Cleveland introduced electric lights for road traffic. They reduced chaos, and saved lives. From 3 colors to smart systems, it all started with railway logic. 20. Airbags, slow start, life-saving finish. Inventor John Hetrick created the first airbag prototype in 1952. But automakers dismissed it for years due to cost. Only in the 1980s did it become mandatory, and it's now credited with saving tens of thousands of lives. 21. Credit cards, born from restaurant embarrassment. In 1949, Frank McNamara forgot his wallet while dining in New York. Humiliated, he came up with an idea: what if people could pay later with a universal card? Thus, the Diners Club card was born, the first widely accepted credit card. What began as a moment of shame became a trillion-dollar industry. 22. Barcode scanner, from Morse code to grocery store. Bernard Silver overheard a store manager complaining about slow checkouts. He and his partner invented a system using patterns similar to Morse code. The first item scanned. A pack of Wrigley's gum in 1974. Today, the barcode is scanned billions of times daily. 23. Post-it notes, the weak glue that stuck forever. Scientist Spencer Silver accidentally invented an adhesive that was too weak for tape. His colleague Art Fry used it to mark pages in his choir book. Thus, the post-it note was born, out of something that didn't work. 24. Internet, a military backbone turned civilian lifeline. The U.S. military created ARPANET to keep communication alive during war. But when scientists, students, and programmers began using it, something bigger happened. By the 1990s, the Internet exploded into homes, businesses, and now, into every pocket. 25. ATM, invented because of long lines. John Shepard Barron came up with the automated teller machine while in the bath. Inspired by vending machines, he wanted 24/7 bank access. The first ATM launched in 1967. Today, there are more than 3 million ATMs worldwide. Today, the barcode is scanned billions of times daily. 26. Jeans, gold miner's durable dream. In the 1800s, Levi Strauss and Taylor Jacob Davis created pants for miners, tough fabric, rivets on stress points. They called them waist overalls. By the 20th century, jeans became America's most iconic garment, from working class to rock stars. 27. Sunglasses, not for fashion at first. In ancient China, judges wore dark quartz glasses to hide expressions in court. Modern sunglasses became mainstream thanks to World War II pilots. Today, they're fashion, health, and attitude. 28. High heels, originally for men. In the 1600s, high heels were worn by Persian warriors to secure feet in stirrups. European men adopted them for style and status. It wasn't until the 20th century that high heels became associated with femininity and fashion. 29. T-shirts, from underwear to global uniform. Originally worn as undershirts in the military, T-shirts became outerwear thanks to veterans and Hollywood stars like James Dean. Now, they're a global language of expression, rebellion, and comfort. 30. Safety pins, created to pay off a debt. Walter Hunt invented the safety pin in just 3 hours in 1849 to settle a $15 debt. He sold the patent for $400. The buyer made millions. Hunt's invention still holds things together, literally. 31. Cat litter, a substitute for sand. In 1947, Edward Lowe offered a friend clay instead of sand for her cat's box. It worked better, less smell, less mess. He began marketing it as kitty litter. Today, Americans spend billions on cat litter annually. 32. Deodorant, first used by surgeons. In the late 1800s, doctors used antibacterial creams to clean hands before surgery. Later marketed to stop body odor, these products became deodorants. And Odor-O-No was one of the first brands to advertise body shame to boost sales. 33. Toothpaste tubes, inspired by paint. Toothpaste was once sold in jars. In 1892, Dr. Sheffield began packaging it in collapsible metal tubes, just like oil paint. That small change made toothpaste more portable, hygienic, and popular. 34. Listerine, from floor cleaner to mouthwash. Originally used to clean operating rooms, Listerine was later sold as a cure for sore throats and foot fungus. In the 1920s, marketers promoted it as a cure for chronic halitosis. Mouthwash sales exploded. Thanks, fear. 35. Hand sanitizer, invented in the 60s, popular in the 2000s. Nurse Lupe Hernandez created hand sanitizer in 1966. Hospitals embraced it, but the general public ignored it until pandemics and flu seasons made it mainstream. Today, it's in every pocket and purse. 36. Coca-Cola, a headache cure with cocaine. In 1886, John Pemberton, a pharmacist and morphine addict, created a drink from coca leaves and cola nuts. He sold it as a tonic for exhaustion and headache. By 1929, the cocaine was removed. Today, Coca-Cola is one of the most recognized brands on earth. 37. Corn flakes, a sanitarium accident. Dr. John Kellogg and his brother left boiled wheat out too long, creating a crispy flake. They later used corn and added sugar. Cornflakes were first created as part of a bland diet to reduce sin, yes, really. 38. Hamburger, fair food turned classic meal. Multiple towns claim credit. But at the 1904 World's Fair, a beef patty between bread was introduced to a large audience. The hamburger soon became America's favorite food, convenient, customizable, and delicious. 39. Peanut butter, for people without teeth. Invented by Dr. John Harvey Kellogg as a protein source for people who couldn't chew meat. Popularized by brands like Peter Pan and Skippy. By the mid-20th century, peanut butter was an American lunchbox staple. 40. Ice cream cone, created out of desperation. At the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair, an ice cream vendor ran out of bowls. Next door, a waffle vendor rolled his pastry into a cone. Boom! The ice cream cone was born, from necessity and quick thinking. We think of invention as a light bulb moment, an epiphany. But more often, it's trial and error, embarrassment, accidents, or sheer desperation. Potato chips from rage. Velcro from burrs. Credit cards from forgetfulness. Listerine from foot fungus. The genius behind American life isn't always about building the next rocket. It's about fixing problems in the simplest, strangest, and sometimes silliest ways possible. These inventions tell us something important. Anyone can be an inventor. You don't need a lab coat or millions in funding. You need curiosity. The willingness to try. And maybe a little bit of luck. So the next time you zip your jeans, microwave your popcorn, or pull a Post-it from your fridge, pause. Because behind that simple act is a story. A spark. A strange, wonderful idea that changed everything.